There is a moment in life so quiet, so invisible that most people miss it completely. It does not arrive with thunder. It does not announce itself with flashing lights. It comes softly like a whisper in the dark, like the first ray of sunlight after a brutal storm, like a hand reaching toward you when you thought nobody saw your struggle. And what if that moment is closer than you think? What if right now, while you're sitting here, while your heart is tired, while your mind is full of questions, while your soul is carrying battles nobody knows about, a door is preparing to open for you, not an ordinary door, a life changing door, a door that can lead to healing where there has been pain, clarity where there has been confusion, peace where there has been choice, strength where there has been weakness, opportunity where there has been delay. But here is what most people never understand. Before a new door opens, life often feels darkest. That's the shocking part. The pressure increases, the waiting gets heavier, the silence becomes louder. You begin to question everything. You wonder if your prayers are unheard. You wonder if your effort means anything. You wonder if your season of struggle will ever end. And many people quite right there, not realizing they were standing inches away from breakthrough. Sometimes the closed door in your life were not rejection. They were protection. Sometimes the delay was not punishment, it was preparation. Sometimes what felt like loss was like clearing space for something greater. Read that again in your heart. Clearing space because you cannot receive that is meant for you. Next chapter is your hands are still holding what belongs to your lost chapter. And maybe that is why this message found you. Maybe you've been carrying disappointment for too long. Maybe you've been silently fighting battles nobody sees. Maybe you smile in public, but in private you're exhausted. Maybe you've been asking, when will something finally change? Listen carefully. Change does not always begin outside you. Sometimes it begins within you, in your mindset, in your courage, in your decision to rise one more time, in your refusal to let darkness convince you that darkness is forever, because it is not. Storm pass, night turns into morning, seasons change, and doors open always. But when the door opens, you must be ready to walk through it. Not with fear, not with doubt, not with the voice of your past whispering you're not enough. You walk through with boldness, with faith in your effort, with confidence in what you have learned, with strength built from every word you survived. Because everything you went through taught you something. Every heartbreak taught wisdom, every betrayal taught discernment, every lonely night taught endurance, every failure taught resilience. You were not being destroyed, you were being built. Built into someone stronger, wiser, sharper, deeper, and now. The chapter ahead may hold something your current eyes cannot yet fully see. A chance you didn't expect. A connection that changes your direction. A new beginning born from what once looked like an ending, a moment where everything starts making sense. Not overnight, not magically, but step by step, door by door, decision by decision. And one day you will look back and realize the struggle was not the end of your story. It was the beginning of your transformation. So hold on, keep moving, keep building, keep believing in what you're becoming. Even if nobody claps, even if nobody understands, even if the road feels lonely. Because sometimes the greatest door open in silence. And when the open, everything changes, maybe not all at once, but enough to remind you that your story is not over. Enough to prove that difficult seasons do not last forever. Enough to show you that what is ahead can still surprise you. So if your heart needed a message today, hear this clearly. Do not quit in the hallway of waiting. Do not lose hope in the room of silence. Do not walk away just because the door has not opened yet. Stand firm. Prepare yourself. Keep growing. Keep walking. Because somewhere ahead, a door is about to open for you. And when it does, walk through it like you were born for that moment.